Right, morning all. This morning, go for a little walk. Me and the dog, where he is. Teddy, come on. There he is. Look, there he is. We're going to go through a few woods here in Washington Tyne away. This one here is Havannah Woods. Just at the side of the E194, which heads southbound to the E1M, which goes all the way down the country. As you can see, it's snowy conditions. He's just being a cock. He just wants to play. So that's it. See where it takes us. Ground's feeling a little bit boggy like. Stay on the track should be fine, but yeah, slippy as well. Very, very slippy. It's gone well to the left. Oh, it's top, so lively. Oh, slippy. Got the wrong shoes on. Got a pair of boots on, but I don't hate them boots. Really? Oh no. Right, halfway through these woods now. He just wants to play. This is number one out of possibly three I'm going to do. Or we're going to do, sorry. Could have been solid snow, eh? But it's very muddy. Well, the sooner we get up here, the better. Teddy? Teddy? Come on. Come on, son. Come on. Jump. He's just jumped over it. Come on. Good lad. Oh, my God. Terrain's shite. Yeah. Sorry for any swearing. That comes to the end of that one. This woods. We'll move on to the next one, which will be in Princess Anne Park. About a 2 mile walk ish. Walk it out here, so shouldn't take too long, hopefully. Come on, man. Come on. Oh guys. Good lad. Good lad. Yes, I know he's a cop. Listen. Posing for a photo, like. Daffy. Right, heading on to Princess Anne Park now. See? Just cutting through Albany Park now. This used to be my local golf course. I lived in that street there growing up. Yeah, I'm terrified of that kid. Come on. Staying on his lead because there's kids around. So, up there there's an old BMX course, a little hump there. It's one of the jumps. My mother never let us have a BMX because they were too dangerous in her head. So she got me a grifter. If anyone knows what a grifter is, it's heavier than a tank. So she says, there you go, there's a grifter for you. And then I come on this course and it bends round up there and it goes like a high jump. So I tried that and I came off the grifter and got landed on it. Honestly, I'm surprised I'm still here now. Like I said, heavy in the tank. I always wanted a mongoose or what? A rally burner. I always wanted those. Never got it. Anyway, back onto this walk. This also used to be my old golf course. Used to tee off over there. And hit over there where the lampposts are. That's where my first floor was. New build houses over there. I used to fire the ball over the trees as far as possible. Yeah, nice free golf course. Used to make holes and everything. They're probably still there now, is that actually? Yeah, kids. Anyway, back to this. Right, son? Good lad. That's been well used over there, that hill. When I was a kid, everyone in Washington used to come here when the snow hit. They used to fly down there. He used to come down with your gas board, little red and white gas board. Right, one used to nick. Bent the sledge easy. He used to try and stand up and going down. Honestly, I'm surprised it didn't break my neck. Looks like it's been well used. Overnight it's been snow here. Well, it's been trying to snow for the last 2 days really, but not much has come down as you can see. But hopefully some heavier snowfall soon. I can enjoy it this time because I haven't got the car at the moment. I hate driving in the snow. Come on then, son. Come on. Going to the tunnel. Hey, son. Hey, son. Enjoying this? I want to go home. I just completed the Washington Village now from Albany. Just going under the 1231. That goes from Sunderland to the A1. Shouldn't take too long to get to Princess Anne Park. 15 minutes or so. See you then. Washington Village. There's Glory, tiny little pub that. One further up as well. Church in the hill. Yeah, nice place. Right, we're in Princess Anne Park now. We've done 4.25 miles. Just had a run with a couple of kids on snowballs at it. 3 of them on the bikes. Dickheads. Give them some abuse and walk off. It's very slippery walking down here. I'm going in here just after this, but this I'm gonna go to the right. Walk on here, it's safer. So gonna go and run that track there. Nice little spot. Teddy likes playing there. Yeah. Can you? Fetch. Fetch. Too cool. That's it. Oh no, it fetches it back. Isn't it? Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Yeah. Come on. Ready? Keep going now. Go there. Fetch. Good boy. Go get it. Come on, son. Just come on. Good boy. Good boy. Right, we're gonna head down towards Fatfield now. I've had a couple of battery warnings on the GoPro, so do that one quickly and head home. I've done around 5 miles now, I think. He's alright. He's he is walking next to us as well, very good. Still a bit of snow on the ground here. And I'll tell you what, the weather's changed, the temperature's changed a bit colder now. It was alright when I left the house. Still a bit slippy here. It's not muddy though, it's normally muddy around here, but it's actually alright here. Right. Onwards and upwards. Right, we've made it to Fatfield. It's all changed here. The Washington Viaduct, the Victoria Viaduct's just up there. There's no access to it at the moment, it's all fenced off, so you can't get on it. I've been on it a few times though. Rebel. I just had to switch it to my phone. My GoPro died. 2 batteries. Believe it or not. Only been out 2 hours. I haven't done too much video, but he's starting to cry a little bit now. He's stopped. So looks like we're heading home in a minute. Well, look at that. It's a pond there. Looks like it's all frozen off. That's cool. Come on, son. It's all frozen now. Very good. Come on. Come on, son. Listen. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's not sure down here. So, let's see, just go through here and then head home. Shouldn't take too long. The original plan was going to go along towards the riverside, but you see it's starting to get a bit late in the day now. Never mind. Look at this. What when's that? All frozen over. Pond. Looks amazing now. Wow. Well, car park here. They've put these rocks here. They'll stop the pairs from getting in with the cars. Put two and two together. That's what it is. Okay. Car's trying to get in now. You're not getting through. Shall wait 5 minutes to see if they do anything. Right, this way heads towards the river, and then along and then back up. Then this road I've just been on. Isn't this just fantastic? Look at that. That is just perfect, that. What a shot that is. I actually had to take a photo there. That's perfect, that. Wow, take another one. There you go. Almost finished me walk now. It's Washington now, eh? Just head towards Washington there, but I am in Washington. That's it. Another picture. That's class, that. Right, we're gonna have 5 more minutes up here, then go. Look at that. That's amazing, that. He's getting a bit, he's crying now, so I'm going to go back this way, going through the woods, Cox Green on the Washington side, take it towards the Teal Farm. So I need to get back as quickly as possible because he's getting a bit fed up now, I think. By the time we do get back, it's going to be about 10 miles we've done. So, I said 10 miles at the start, so not bad. Not bad at all. Teddy? Woof. Right, son? You get home, have a 5-minute rest, and you want to be out again. Oh, what's he saying? What's that? What's that, son? What's that? What's that, son? Hey. Ted, what's that? Ted, what's this? hear the birds in the water. Let him off his lead again. You know, he's probably better off his lead than on. Well, obviously you can't really, he might run off though, that's the only problem. But when he goes through woods, he's sticks to you like glue. He's scared because he's a pussy. Hey son. Daddy. Where's Jake? Woof. Oh, nice pink sky up there. Yeah. Very nice. It's kind of high up now actually. There's a river down there. And Terry's about to finish his furthest walk. We're approaching 8 miles now, so by the time I get back home it'll be just over 10 miles, I'd imagine. The furthest he's walked is just under 9 in the Lake District, where me, Andre and Teddy hiked up to the top of Wallercrag via the Stone Circle from Keswick. Very good day, very good walk as well. So he was doing them zoomy things near the top, just going backwards and forwards and going down the hill. Honestly, we just thought vet bill straight away and he was doing it. But he's alright, he's a nutcase. No zoomies today, he's been off his lead quite a lot. So, and your son. Yeah, you know I'm talking about you, don't you? Eh? You know it, Teddy. Yeah? Come on then. I think it's a good time to end this walk now. Just gonna relax and walk the rest of the way home. So, if anyone's seen this video, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Come on Teddy, let's get home.